In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image from a product page on Payhip. If you want to clean up a product listing, replace outdated visuals later, or simply remove an image you no longer want displayed, Payhip makes the process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one store. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be ready to access the product you want to update. Next, click on Products. This will open the section where all of your product listings are stored. Here, you should be able to see the items you've already created, whether they're digital products, memberships, or other types of listings. Take a moment to find the exact product page that contains the image you want to remove, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong item. Once you've found the correct product, click Edit on that product. This takes you into the product editor, where you can make changes to the listing details. Depending on your setup, this page may include things like the title, description, pricing, files, and images. Since we're focusing on removing an image, stay in the section where the product visuals are displayed. Now, locate the image you want to remove and click Remove. This should delete that image from the product page. Be careful here and make sure you're removing the correct image, especially if the product has multiple images attached. If you remove the wrong one by mistake, you may need to upload it again later. After removing the image, it's a good idea to quickly review the product page to confirm that the correct visual is gone and that the rest of the listing still looks the way you want. This is especially helpful if the image was part of how the product was presented to customers. And that's it. As you can see, removing an image from a product page on Payhip only takes a few clicks. Open your dashboard, go to Products, edit the product, and remove the image you no longer need. It's a simple update, but it can make a big difference in keeping your product pages accurate, polished, and up to date.